You go to work every day, work for 8 or more hours, and then return to your apartment. You go through the routines day after day. And when you get your paycheck, you find that it's gone in a matter of minutes because all of your bills and everyday expenses. For the vast majority of individuals, the only way to fix this problem is to earn more money. But really, who has the time to do that? Because of work, family obligations, and other responsibilities, there is no additional time in the day to earn more money. This is why mastering the art of passive income is essential if you want to get out of your current financial rut and live a more financially prosperous life. Hey, what's up? This is Capital Finance, your go-to channel for business ideas, entrepreneurship, investment, and personal finance. In this video, let's look at making passive income while you're sleeping. You can observe that there are two types of individuals in our world: those who make money by selling their time and those who make money at night. The purpose of this video is to help you learn how to gain money through passive income. So, be ready because we'll start with number 1. First, create an online store. Using an internet business, you may now establish a passive income stream. Thanks to the rise of e-commerce, dropshipping in particular has grown quite popular. And here's how it works. You set up an online business that sells items from many manufacturers. When a customer purchases a product from your website, your system automatically delivers the order to the supplier of that product. You are paid when the supplier ships the product straight to the consumer and completes your purchase. You don't have to worry about stocking up on supplies for this company, implying a lesser initial investment, making it ideal for those with limited resources. Aside from that, getting your store up and running may be done cheaply. With Shopify, which costs $30 a month, dropshippers may set up their own online store for less than operating a clothing shop in your community. So, once your business is set up, the remainder of the process may be automated, allowing you to earn money regardless of your activities. Second, start a business. Many people say they have no idea how to start their own business when I propose it as a suggestion. Let me share 2 critical lessons I've learned from people through several of their businesses. Creating a simple business might be the most effective approach to earning money while you're asleep. They established many businesses in the past, and apart from the initial effort necessary to get them off the ground, they have done virtually nothing else to ensure that they continue to generate revenue each month. Sure, they're not developing a fortune with these ventures, but it allowed them to enjoy a pretty comfortable life. When it comes to making money while you sleep, it's all about leveraging other people's resources. They look for and appoint a competent manager in that particular area, so you'd also want to engage a website manager who knows SEO, design, and content creation. For example, if you wanted to create a blog and use it to generate passive revenue. While it's nice to assume you're an expert at everything, it's just not true. By employing a manager, you may free up your time while also benefiting from the expertise of others. Paying for someone else's knowledge is usually well worth the money spent on it. Quite simply, not everyone is capable of starting a company. A company owner must be willing to take on a degree of risk and patience because most new firms fail within a few years of creation. But if you're up to the challenge, I heartily recommend it. Third, create a YouTube channel with a unique niche. Even though my opinion may be prejudiced, having a YouTube channel is one of the most appropriate methods to make money online. You should never underestimate the income-generating potential of a dedicated following. And I'll give you an example of exactly how effective this asset can be. Let's imagine that you have 100,000 subscribers. More than 160,000 channels will have over 100,000 members by the beginning of 2020. Should reassure you that this goal is doable even if you think it is. Besides, Let's assume you sold a course for $100 and earned ad money. It is possible to make $10,000 or $120,000 each year by selling just 1/10 of 1% of a $100 course each month. My point is that there is strength in numbers, and YouTube is one of the finest methods to build a following. Some say that YouTube isn't passive, and I agree with them partly, but it's still a great way to connect with other people. It is clear to see how much time and effort I put into making and running my channel. I can easily spend 40 hours a week developing material, from writing scripts to recording voiceovers and making animations. I know of several YouTube channels where the owners are entirely hands-off. Once the videos have been completed, they outsource all the material and just package it. Thanks to YouTube, it is possible to generate money while you sleep, earning you large sums of money. Fourth, consider real estate investment. As you know, traditional real estate is far more expensive to get into than digital businesses and services. There is little doubt that real estate rentals will continue to be an excellent source of passive income. Housing is a basic human necessity that will never go away. If you have a long-term renter, all you have to do is sit back and wait for the rent to come in. Performing the necessary repairs and upkeep may need some attention. You may hire a property manager to make the revenue passive if you have enough positive cash flow. Our REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, is another option to make passive income from real estate, but owning property may be too much for some. An REIT is a real estate investment trust that invests in private real estate by purchasing a stake in the property. For real estate investors, REITs may be thought of as mutual funds, and like mutual funds, they can be purchased through stock purchases. When you hold a stock in a real estate venture, you get a cut of the profits. It's a way to invest in real estate without the hustle of being a property owner, and every time profits are shared, you will receive your portion of the cash distributed. Finally, the best thing was that you didn't even have to deal with tenants or chase rent payments. All you had to do was put money in and watch your bank account grow while you slept. Fifth, develop an online course. I recently discovered a YouTube channel called Income Management. To replace your 9-to-5 salary with an online income-producing platform, Income Management teaches individuals how to build a passive income website from the beginning. It's not just fantastic information that these two men produce, but they also provide personalized coaching and programs for people who want to speed up their progress. As you can see, systems like these are adequate for earning money while you're asleep because the bulk of the job can be automated. It's an excellent example of a system that automates the process and gives students access to all the information they need to succeed once they've signed up for an income school program. This is excellent if you are operating an online company after performing the job once. Developing the course content in this example. Only a tiny fraction of your time is required to earn money while you sleep because all you have to do is watch and make slight adjustments as you go. Isn't all this an incredible way to earn while sleeping? Yeah, it requires initial work, but it's gonna be worth it. That's it for this video. Don't forget to give this a like, and I will see you next time.